This file extension has two primary types. Is this a MAME layout, arcade border, or a Tecplot layout, engineering? If it's MAME, it adds artwork to the emulator screen. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens LAY files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. 8LAY file is a layout configuration used by MAME, Multiple Arcade Machine Emulator. It defines the on-screen arrangement of elements like the game screen, bezels, and control panels. These files allow users to customize the visual presentation of emulated arcade games, enhancing the authenticity and user experience. Tecplot also uses DEL-AY files for storing layout information for scientific data visualization plots. MAME LAY files are typically XML-based, specifying coordinates, sizes, and graphical assets for each element. Tecplot LAY files contain information about plot arrangements, axis settings, and data display options. Both file types are human-readable to some extent, but are primarily designed to be parsed and interpreted by their respective software applications. The ideal software for creation and opening of LAY is MAME from Nicola Salmoria and the MAME team. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows does not render full design fidelity, so professional editing requires layout software. To unlock the data, right-click the LAY file and select Open With. Test MAME if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. If your LAY file isn't cooperating, don't worry. A format as specific as LAY will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g. CAD, graphics editor, or a sequencing program, that created the lay file. Next, use the original application. Launch the original application and use its file. Open or import function to load the layout. Finally, open as text. Open the lay file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.